Hello, Odooers. Today we will learn how to create the chart of accounts in Odoo. So first, what we do is we go to the accounting app. We can search for the accounting app, or if you have a few apps, we can just click on it. And then we open the accounting app. We go to Configuration, Chart of Accounts, and then the chart of accounts opens up. What we can do is we can also go through the settings. So we go to Settings. First, we search for chart of accounts to understand what kind of chart of accounts we have. In this case, we have the United States of America. And then what we do is we search for COA, which stands for Chart of Accounts. We can click Review Manually, and here we can add a new chart of account as we want. Enter the code, any random code, or if you have a sequence, for example, all your sales should begin with number 8. Then you can use that so that you have a nomenclature set. In this case, we're just creating a test account, so it doesn't matter. Just put in any name, and then we are looking for the account type in terms of current liabilities or current assets. Once you're done with that, you can allow reconciliation or not. That depends on whether you'll be reconciling. You save, and then you export. Now, when you're exporting, if you want to export for importing, you make sure that you click the checkbox on the left where it says, I want to update data, because that allows Odoo to understand that you've made some changes and you want to import. The other way is then to go back to COA. So that's one issue. If you do it through settings, you'll have to keep on searching. You use the template, and then the template basically has amounts, has an already set chart of accounts. You can just pre-impose your balances. And if you want to move the app from one place to another, simply click on it and drag. That's it.